All right. As get it in here, get it in here. My name is Morris, the crochet master, and today we're going to see on how to do the spongy flexy. Yes, I would advise some of you guys to cut off your hair just as you want to get short hair. The very simple thing that you can do is just to play this crochet. No matter how long your hair is, you can still have this short hair with your long hair. So today we're going to see on how to do the sponge flex. And please, if it's your first time to be on my channel, just click on that red button as you can see it there. Yes, click on it and ring the bell so you'll be the first person to watch all these videos that I be uploading every Wednesday, Friday, Saturday and Sunday. So this is how we do the starting. We start with the cornrows, the puff cornrow. We are going to be designing it as in the puff way. Yes, and I'll be showing you why I decided to do it a puff way. Yes, I'll be giving you the reasons. So for that, I would like to shout out to everyone who is watching me right now. If you know you're in Canada, United States of America, those ones United Emirates, UK, and those ones in France. Yes, Mary She, thank you so much for loving my work, and thank you so much for loving Maurice the crochet master. And if you'd like to follow me on my personal account on Instagram, still it is Maurice the crochet master, so that we can chat more. So we're doing this. You can try to see on how we do the inside corners. Remember, I told you that the inside corners, they are always very nice, since they are they last longer. So I would advise you guys to learn on how to do the inside corners. And if you're out there, you missed my previous video that I uploaded showing you on how to do the inside corners, please, you can just go straight there and learn how to do the inside corners. And I know I'll be uploading more videos on how to do inside corners, so that we also get to learn about that, because it is going to help us a lot, those ones who like plaiting crochets. So our puff corner is going to be like this. And please, yes, I know some of you guys like skipping some things, but I told you that it is very important, because sometimes there are those words that you need to listen. Yes, that you need to listen than skipping, and yet you're not understanding anything. So when you reach here, about the puff cornrow, you have to make sure you try to do you style these remaining hair, so that it doesn't shrink. Is it like the volume here shouldn't be that very big, so you should try to design it so that it remains there, it remains flat, because the hair that we're going to put there is going to be very short. So you just try to style it that way, so that doesn't become a lot here. So like you can imagine, if someone had long thick hair, how would it be? So you should also have that idea of knowing how you can leave you can plait this puff cornrow without making this center very big, because it will give you the bad results when it comes to the spongy flex when you're done with it. So when you're done with that, remember, we just have to sew, and after sewing we have to apply the anti-itchy. That one I always apply it before I do my crochet, because I just know sometimes it's very hard to apply it after. Yes, so you just have to do it before applying the crochet, so that it become easy for you. Yes, and I think I still I need to get more videos, more tutorials on showing in how to do the inside corners, because guys, trust me, inside corners is very good if you learn how to do it. And trust me, it's going to it lasts. That's what I can tell you. So when you're done with that, you can see how it is. So the next step we're going to do after oiling, we are going to crochet. And here the crochet, to crochet this sponge flakes, you just have the locking is different. You can see how I'm doing it. I'm locking two times. So that's how you should also do it. So let's keep on doing this up to the end, and I will show you how you can cut this. Oh yes, right, like so you just have to make sure you pack everywhere. Like you just pack the whole space that you're seeing, you just pack it very well, because remember, we just want to have this look for someone to think that maybe you got your own hair, like maybe you had cut your hair, but when you had just protected it. So I wouldn't advise you guys with long hair to cut it to get short hair. You can still have these kind of crochet and very protective, and the ones that are going to protect even your long hair for not breaking, because we've been having that problem when our hairlines get damaged. So these are some of the protective styles that you can do, and they give you a peace on that. So when we're done with this step, you can see how I've just I've just installed everything. So the next thing, we're going to try to shape it in the way we want it to be. So I told you, even when I was doing the other spongy dreads, that whenever you're shaping or whenever you're cutting this sponge dread or the sponge flex, there is something that for you be wanting your client to look. So that is what you cut. For here, I cannot teach you that you should do this, you should do this, because you also have your ad. Maybe your client might tell you, I want it to remain bigger, or maybe I want it to be very, very flat on the head. So for that one, you also know what you want and maybe what your client wants. So you should also try to be very, very careful when it comes to cuttings. And this is how I do my cutting. You see how it is coming out. You see how it is coming out. And those ones, if you don't have this machine, you can still use the scissor. It can also work for you, yeah, as I'm going to be using it here. So just try to make it very, very very short, because it's what we wanted. We just want something very short, and it's what I'm trying to do here. And when I'm done with that and I'm seeing like the machine won't go further, I just try to apply the scissor so that it can do it well for me, as in measuring all these. So let's try it with the scissor and see how it's going to be, because when you're doing this, always you have to focus on the forehead. Yes, you just have to focus on the forehead, knowing the lines, and even the behind. That's what you should always do. But trust me, I recommend this hairstyle to those ones with 4C hair tape, those ones with damaged hairlines. Trust me, you will love it. And the maintenance is very, very easy. Yes, you can just get water and mix it with oil, and it will be easy for you. So for now, I sign out, and my name is Maurice, the Crochet Master. Don't forget to go on my website for more information, which is www.hairzippers.com. I love you so much, and bye bye. I sign out, guys.